following counties: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California. Storms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include State Route 62, 29 Palms Highway east of 29 Palms. These are the 5 specific.
Ampliar un proyecto.
Sponsored by the Auto Club.
OND